Good morning, everyone. Ready to energize your day in just 10 minutes? Today, I'll guide you through a quick and easy yoga flow designed to wake up your body, clear your mind, and set a positive tone for the rest of your day. Let's stretch into greatness. Step 1. Center yourself. 1 minute. Start by sitting comfortably. Close your eyes, take a deep breath in through your nose, hold for 3 counts, and exhale fully. Repeat this for a minute, letting go of stress and preparing your mind for the day. Step 2. Gentle spinal stretch. 2 minutes. Move into a cat-cow stretch on all fours. Inhale as you arch your back, lifting your head and tailbone, and exhale as you round your spine, tucking your chin to your chest. This move increases flexibility and releases tension in your spine. Step 3. Downward dog to plank flow. 3 minutes. Transition into downward dog. Spread your fingers wide and lift your hips high to feel the stretch in your back and legs. Then, slowly move into a plank position, engaging your core. Repeat this flow 3 times. Step 4. Sun salutation. 4 minutes. Finish with a classic sun salutation. Stretch your arms up, fold forward, step into a lunge, then flow back to downward dog and come up to standing. This boosts circulation and strengthens your muscles. Take a moment to thank your body for showing up today. That's it, 10 minutes to a more energized you. If you loved this flow, give this video a like and subscribe for more daily habits to supercharge your mornings.